What is up, YouTube? Back with another episode. Don't know what episode it is, but another episode of FRS Rebuild series. I'm going to show you guys today with one little small mod how you can make your car actually look more luxurious than it really is. Give it more of like a premium feel. That's with these right here. These are OLM LED lights. This one is for the interior dome light, and this is the license plate light in the rear. Really simple to install, really cheap, and it's one of those big bang for your buck mods that don't cost a lot but make a huge difference. So it's probably gonna be a quick video. I'm gonna throw these in real quick and show you what they look like. I can't show you before and after for the license plate light because those lights have been out for I don't even know how long, but those don't work. So I'm gonna replace them with these, put in this dome light on the interior. This should be way brighter than what comes in there, and see how much of a difference it makes. So I guess we'll start back here. It's pretty simple. For the ones that illuminate the license plate, you literally just twist these and they come right out. So that's that. Let's grab the new ones. All right. I can't get them open. Gotta grab a knife. They definitely put these in good packaging. Oh God, I dropped one. I hope I didn't break it. I guess we'll find out. Okay. It's literally as easy as changing a light bulb. And I guess that one just pops in like that. And goes right back in. The way it came out. That's literally it. That's all you gotta do. And here's the, I'm looking at them and they're burned out. Filaments blown out. So I guess I'll go ahead and show you what these look like, assuming they work, and then we'll move on to the interior. So yeah, these are really bright. I didn't have any lights here before, and these look really good. So happy with those. All right, those these actually look pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the interior. Okay, for the inside, I actually do have this light in here. It works, but you can see how it has like that orangish, like tannish kind of coloring to it. I don't like that, so we're gonna change that up. I believe all you need to pop off this cover to change the light is like a small little flathead. I could be wrong, but I guess I'll go ahead and try to do it now, and we'll see if I'm wrong. This mirror's in the way. Come on. Let me put the camera down. Yep. That one's out. Oh, shoot. Come on, don't break it. Yep, they got it. And it just comes off like that. It's a couple little dead bugs in there. So I'm gonna flip this off like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. I know it's dark and you can't see me, so I'm gonna pull it out, replace it with this one. All right, so it should be, I don't want to electrocute myself, but it should be as easy as pulling this one out and putting the new one in. That is super duper hot. Holy crap. Oh my God, that hurt. I'm gonna let that cool off. Since this one's just an LED, and as far as I know, LEDs don't really produce that much heat, so this one shouldn't burn me if I ever have to touch it, you know, right after it was just on. But yeah, that thing burned the crap out of me just then. Okay, so I swear I'm not making this up, but boy, I just dropped the light, the little bulb thing, right, let's see if I can grab it, in this seat rail. There it is. But look what I found as I was looking down here. Look at that. Boy, come up. And found a quarter. Boy, I swear, this day just keeps getting better and better. Installing new car parts and finding money. Alright, but back to the install. Let me see if I can give you a look at this. The bulb has to slide into that little tab, if it'll focus on it. That little tab with that little hole in it has to slide into there and then into the other side. It's pretty self-explanatory. Alright, lights in. One thing you may need to take note of. This little tab right here where that holds the bulb in, the OLM one is just a tiny smidgen shorter than the stock one. So you're gonna want to bend this tab back towards you just a little bit, just make it fit a little bit more snug, and make sure that those little yellow LED things are facing downwards. But all right, let's see what difference it made. I'm gonna turn it on. Holy smokes. That's the door. This switch is a little janky. It isn't the light, it's just the switch itself. But good lord, look how bright it is in here. I can turn my phone light off now. Goodness gracious. That is such a huge difference. So it's like I have an entire shop light in here. Holy smokes. Yeah, this thing is sick. Guess I can pop the cover back on now, because this thing is dumb bright. Holy smoke, I was not expecting this at all, to be completely honest. Like, boy, my interior it looks so much better in here. Like, when I vacuum in here, I'm going to be able to see every speck of dirt on everything. Every speck of dust, everything will be way easier to see with this light. This is crazy. Like, my mom drives an Infiniti Q50 or something, and it has lights like this. And also her tail plate light is like the one that I have now installed. But yep, as you can see, my interior is much brighter now than it was before. Let's see, get one more shot of the tailplate light. Look at that. Oh my god. So I think that's going to do it for this video. As you can see, like, these lights are just a huge, massive improvement over the ones that are stock that come on this car, and really, in my opinion, it makes the car look just a little bit more luxurious. It's a huge bang for your buck mod. Like, both of them together are like 50-ish bucks for both of those, and you can see what a big difference it makes. The interior is way more visible now that I'm looking at it with this light. Now I need to vacuum it out. It looks like, yeah, I need to detail an interior. And the whole license plate thing combined with the new tail lights makes the whole rear end just look so much better, in my opinion. So yeah, get those. Huge bang for your buck mod. I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like these videos. I'm gonna keep pumping them out until we get this car finished. And then after I get this car finished, I really don't know what I'm gonna do after that, but as far as videos, but until then, we're gonna keep on working on this car. So thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.